Alright guys, I've got a anonymous looking Euro cylinder here. No key for it and no branding. Thanks to Pickbeard for this lock. Now I'm going to use a combination of raking and single pin picking for this. Tension's going to go on the pin side. I'm going to start off with this W rake. That gets us into a fairly deep full set. I'm going to go in with the hook now. See if we can find any binding pins. One right in the middle. Go back to the rake. And that opens the lock, so I think probably just the one spool in the middle of the stack there. And the lock's open. Thank you for watching, I'll see you soon.